Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. Career best figures of 6 of 42 from Captain Jason Holder has given the West Indies the upper hand at Stumps on day 2 of the first test against England. This at the Agios Bowl in Southampton. Renata Brown has the day's review.
With better conditions than the opening day, the West Indies fast bowlers got to work quickly as Shannon Gabriel broke through Joe Denley's defence, with England adding just 13 runs to their overnight 35 for 1 to be 48 for 2. 3 deliveries later, Gabriel had his third as opener Rory Burns was dislodged for 30. From there, Holder grabbed back-to-back wickets, with Zach Crawley and Ollie Pope falling to the Windies captain 16 runs apart. But with the hosts reeling at 87 for 5, Captain Ben Stokes and Joss Butler steadied the England innings with a 6-wicket stand worth 67 runs. The England skipper was given not 1 but 2 lives, but went on 43 became Holder's third victim. 3 quickly became 4 for Holder as 154 for 6 became 157 for 7 when Butler was removed for 35. And Holder wasn't done. His 7th 5-wicket haul was achieved when he dismissed his former countryman Jofra Archer, with his career best coming up with the removal of Mark Wood as the Barbadian ended with 6 for 42. Gabriel picked up England's final wicket to finish with 4 for 62 as the hosts were dismissed for 204.
One of the things I've always strived to do, particularly when I get the chance to play against England, is to score 100 in England. And obviously to get a 5-wicket haul in England. And I've ticked 1 box so far. So I guess it's no left for me to knuckle down and try to get 100.
Now, as they did in the home series against England in 2019, Jamaican John Campbell and Craig Brathwaite got the Windies off to a stable start, reaching 43 without loss. But after 2 successful reviews, Campbell's number finally came up as he fell leg before wicket off James Anderson for 28. Shea Hope then walked to the crease, and after facing just 16 deliveries, Bat Light stopped play with Brathwaite on 20 and Hope on 3. Action resumes on Friday at 5 a.m. Jamaica time. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.